Ndewo, greetings, and welcome back to part 2 of learning the names of fruits in Igbo language. In this second part of the video, we're going to learn about 20 more fruits. You might see some that you would think wouldn't classify as fruits, but they are generally classified under fruits. Ready? Let's begin. Kaibido. So, mkpụrụ osisi is fruit. Mkpụrụ osisi. Mkpụrụ osisi. So that's the general term for fruits. Guava. Guava. Ọkwụrụ bekee. Ọkwụrụ bekee. Ọkwụrụ bekee. Mbimbi. Mbimbi. Ọjị. Ọjị. Ubemgba. Ubemgba. Ubokwe. Ubokwe. Ubosa. Ubosa. Mkpụrụ ojii. Mkpụrụ ojii. Mkpụrụ anụnụ. Mkpụrụ anụnụ. Ụdara mmiri. Ụdara mmiri. Fruitu. Fruitu. Akị ilu. Akị ilu. Ụgba. Ụgba. Ụkpaka. Ụkpaka. Icheku. Icheku. Cashew. Cashew. Anyụ. Anyụ. Anyụ mmiri. Anyụ mmiri. Cherry. Cherry. Ose Nsụka. Ose Nsụka. Ose. Ose. Ose nkịtị. Ose nkịtị. Mbembe ọcha. Mbembe ọcha. Mkpụrụ akwụ. Mkpụrụ akwụ. Ụkwa. Ụkwa. So we've come to the end of this video, and we've learned some fruits in Igbo language. There are some fruits that I just mentioned that you wouldn't normally think are classed under fruits, but they are classed under fruits based on botanical classifications. So what do you think of this video? Are there any fruits that I've missed out? Are there any fruits that you didn't know what they were called before? Just put your thoughts on the comment section below. That's it for now. Go Messia. See you soon.